Whoa!
Oh! That car!
It can't make it.
Whoa, buddy! Jeez.
Man, go through the BP. Go sideways, mate.
Actually, I'm gonna see if this guy. No, we'll be right. Woo!
Holy friggin' nearly.
Look at.
You've got to be kidding me.
Oh my goodness!
Dude, that is intense.
Whoa! Jeez, buddy!
Oh!
He's under.
Man, far out.
This is pretty intense, actually. Whoa!
We made it.
Look at. Oh!
Man, that car is getting hammered. This is getting hectic.
I know. Man, by the time we're going back, there's just going to be some water running everywhere.
Oh man, this is too much. Oh.
Oh. This guy's friggin' picking his garden stones up. Oh my goodness.
Jesus Christ.
Where's this guy going? Where's he going?
Must be deep right there. He's just going to the side of it. It's actually not a bad idea putting your headlights on. Holy moly, he's getting under. Yep, he's got the right idea, right?
Oh my goodness.
Dude, that is Rapid City.
Keep going, mate. Jeez, don't stop. Whoa. Jesus Christ.
We're putting this on YouTube. Toowoomba, the highest city in Australia, pretty much. And it's friggin' underwater.
Oh man.
Whoa!
Man.
Man, that's over ankle deep.
Oh, his window's open.
Oh man, just start filling up in the car.
Man, he's
Whoa!
tree branch on my
Whoa, hey!
Right, safely. Right. That sign's just a bit washed away. Oh, this one's going to be just as bad.
I'll be wanting to get in that Hilux.
I know.
Far out, that'd be alright. You know what's funny? We're probably going to be turning around up here. Get down near the bottom section. It's not happening.
Yeah, I know.
Holy freaking dillies. Oh, I can't believe this place is under.
No. This is intense.
Hello. Boo! See, that'd suck.
It's probably. Oh. Cannot. Woo! Buddy. Oh no, we're gonna have to go James Street. This James Street down there is gonna be so flooded it'll be like. Yeah,
As long as you've got a hill. Oh, look at the speed of that water going down. That is cruising. I can't even pick that up, it's too far.
Look at. Oh, look at this.
Look at
Oh my goodness.
Now we're running with the water.
Yeah, we could like just slam on our brakes and glide down the whole hill.
Jeeves Creevers. Oh, look at these cars. See you gets.
It's probably going to push him.
Whoa, 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 look at that car. I'll be parking my car sideways. No doubt.
This, look at this. This is really intense. Man, I just don't even know where to go. Look at this. We know where the gutter is.
Dude.
You wait till you see the bottom of Queens. Oh man. It is absolutely tearing out.
Look at that beamer just getting thrashed about. Dead to the world. Imagine parking there, trying to get back to your car. I want my car. Nah.
Running down the steps.
Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Holy
That car's up. Oh, it's in the back of that friggin' Mazda. Oh no.
Oh, look at this. There's water going absolutely everywhere. This is just about too much. People won't be able to use.
Oh.
That's
Man.
Queen's Park. Oh, look at it shooting up on that thing over there.
That's a park. Now it's a river.
Oh, dude. This
Whoa.
is just about... Holy
Oh,
shit!
that's a friggin', that's a dip. Isn't that a water pond over there? No longer.
Where's the fountain gone?
Oh no.
Dude,
Okay.
look at this,
That over there is normally about 3 meters deep. It's actually a hill. Now it's flat.
Get sent.
Don't be deceived.
Man, we walk along that grass.
Man, we always be surprised. That car over there is dead.
What's going on there?
Is he?
Oh no, I think he's waiting for some... What's this guy turning around for? Oh, what an idiot! What's he turning around for? Oh man, this is rising like a motherfucker.
Guy's going, what? That car's like a four-wheel drive, almost, and it's friggin' almost. Jeepers, buddy. That lake's over there is just gonna get filled up. You sure we're not in Asia? Are
Get
we
me out of
moving?
here, cunts!
Oh man, we are moving.
I don't know where the islands is, eh?
Oh, we're floating. Holy freaking doolies, watch him. Yeah, hit it. That's better hitting that bump. Holy doolies.
Oh man.
Come on, baby. That's the way we want to go. Go up. Whatever you do, go up. Come on, baby. Whoa, we're out of it.
Woo!
Up. We want up.
No, we can't. Actually, we should go. We were floating.
I know.
Fuck me.
We are, yeah, this is
Whoa, I was
ridiculous.
getting a bit worried then. That's just too intense. Eh?
Dude, we should be going up that. That's a hill. Just wait for him to go past and just friggin' flick it, eh?
Okay.
Just
Dude,
hit,
this
hit,
is just too much.
hit your indicator now so they know.
Once this guy goes around, we're going after him.
Man, my heartbeat's just starting to get wild.
I know. I thought we were done.
Yeah.
I'm like, fuck me, man. This water's too high.
That shuddering was just getting out of control.
Just. Oh, shivers me timbers. Look at this.
Whoa!
Oh my
Can't
god.
even friggin' see
Dude,
it.
we need to get out of here.
Oh, look at that place down there.
I know, look, it's just getting hectic. Oh, fair, go away. Go.
Watch this, guys.
I want to go up Hume Street, mate.
Oh, he's in trouble. Oh, what a brilliant idea, Sean. Woo! Shiver me
So
timbers.
glad to be out of there, and my car's still running.
Look at that jump.
Oh,